Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this brand new Grady-White Freedom 345. At the back of the boat, you'll see that this particular one is optioned and powered by the twin Yamaha 450 XTO V8 outboards, pushing this boat to speeds above 50 miles an hour with ease. You'll see along the transom area, you've got a nice oversized insulated fish box. It does have chiller plates in it, so you don't even need ice for your catch or your drinks if you're going to the sandbar. You've got some water wash downs right here with your hot and cold temperature change. Got a nice blue-sided live well. And then next to that, you've got another box that you could use for fish, drinks, anything like that. It does drain overboard, with wash down hose spigots right below. Just in front of that, you'll see we've got a great flip up rear seat for while you're headed out to the sandbar, to the fish spot. Got plenty of room. 3 people could comfortably sit on that. Below that bench seat, you'll see we've got a nice hatch for bilge access. You've got your dive ladder for the port side dive door right there. You'll see this boat does have a Fisher Panda generator on board, and you've also got great battery access. Forward and port of that, you've got a nice summer kitchen setup. Got some stainless drawers, nice pull-out refrigerator, your Kenyan electric grill, as well as a sink basin with faucet. On the starboard side, you've got this nice double-wide lounger with more drawers below, and these can slide in if you want more cockpit space while fishing. Up on the port side under the hardtop, you'll see we've got this nice L-shaped berth, plenty of seating, cup holders. This is a table. The cushion does come off, so if you want to push this down and have a big lounge area underneath the shade, you can as well. To the starboard side, we've got dual captain's chairs with flip-up armrests and flip-up bolsters. You'll see we've got all our physical switching here. You got your Yamaha autopilot, your Yamaha helm display, joystick control, fusion head unit, bow thruster and trim tabs. And then a really neat feature is the wireless handheld Yamaha joystick. So with this, you can stand anywhere on the boat and can control your boat effortlessly while pulling up to a dock. If it's somewhere, if you need to pull up to a dock on the side furthest from you, you can go walk over there and actually see how close you're getting while controlling it with the handheld. With this fusion head unit that I had mentioned, you'll see we do have JL speakers all over. We've got 4 on the hardtop alone. Got a nice big subwoofer right here next to the driver. So plenty of sound for when you're going out to the fishing spot or at the sandbar and you just want to listen to some music and hang out with the family or friends. So you make your way forward. So you've got a nice oversized head compartment to the starboard side. Got a nice countertop, cabinet, sink, and toilet. Could be used as a great place to use the restroom or as a changing room. And then up at the bow, so you've got ample seating. These cushions do come out to open up a whole casting platform. This insert does remove as well. Under me and next to me here, you've got more storage that is plumbed, so you could fill these with ice as well. All the cushions do remove, really helping you use this area as a casting platform while fishing. Just in front of that, you'll see you've got a nice oversized anchor locker. So you do have your windlass control. You've got your buttons for in and out right here, as well as your clutch where you can tighten it, and a tie-off cleat for once you get that anchor set. And if you flip up this platform here, there will be access below to the locker where all the chain and rope stores. As we make our way back under the hardtop, even though this is a day boat, you do still have some overnighting abilities. Got a nice cabin here on the port side. You got a TV. This right here is a bed piece that'll actually slide out by the push of a button and make this a whole berth. Got a microwave, and then you have all your switch panels for all your controls on your boat. If you're looking for a Grady-White just like this one for your friends and family, please give me a call. My name's Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston, and I'd be happy to take care of you.